Okay, we are now tackling task 5, which is mail merge. So let's read the question. You are required to carry out mail merge using a form. Create a mail merge document using the file. So this is the file that you are going to use as the master document, and this one as our data source. So you are going to replace the text and chevrons in the master document with the merge fields from the data source as follows. So the full name will be name. We replace full name with the name, and this one with the insurance score, pol no with policy number, XP with the expiry, VName with the vessel name, VType with the vessel type, length with the length, beam, pontoon, NB with the number, and the fee with this is will be the annual fee. So let's go to our document very fast. So we go to where our files are located in the desktop. So M22 mooring, here it is. Okay, maybe this one is a bit, so let's try to open this file once more. Okay, so this is our file. So from here, if you want to do a mail merge on this file, we will come to this tab here, mailing, and then you start mail merge. So I want to use my wizard here, and then I'll select a letter here. Okay, so we are not told on which type of a document to choose. So for my case, it will be on the default one, which is letters here. So next is starting document. I use the current. Yes, I'm going to use the current. How do you want to set up your letter? Use the I. Yes, let me use the current. Then next is on the recipient. So I have the recipient here. We are going to use J22 M data. So I have my recipient here, M22 M data. So this one will be my, it's my recipient. These are my recipient. Okay, so let's continue. So use an existing. Okay, so I come here at selecting here, or maybe you can browse maybe from here, and then it's in my desktop. Here it is, M22 M data there. Okay, so this is what I have. So before I continue, what are some of the questions? Replace the text and chevrons in the master document with the merged fields, the data source. Make sure the spacing, punctuations, alignment, and enhancement in the original master document are maintained. Okay, let's continue. So this one I leave it as it is, and then click OK. So you can see that this is the my file is here. So next is inserting field. Okay, so I'll select this one here. I come here. This one should be replaced with the name. So these markings are the one that are called chevrons. These ones, these the greater than or less than are called the chevrons. So here is the insurance. I also replace it with insurance score. So remember to delete this mark which has been left there. Pol no will be replaced by policy number. Okay, so ensure that spacing and the punctuations are maintained. So exp will be replaced by expiry there. Okay, vname. Now instead of even clicking here, you can still maybe use this one here. Okay, but for our case, let's use this one here. So v name will be vessel name, and the v type will be our vessel type. Okay, vessel type. Length, this one we are told that it is length. Here it is. Beam is beam. There it is. Pont is pontoon. That is what you are told. Oh, it's not draft. This one is supposed to be pontoon. Okay, so let me put it once more. Pontoon. NB will be number, and fee. So this symbol for fees must remain there. We only replace fee with the annual fee, and now we are done. We are done. What else are we required to do? Replace the text and chevrons at when we are done. Make sure the spacing and punctuations are maintained. Okay, that one is like that. We are done. We are done. We are not going to do anything. Replace the text candidate details with your name. Text candidate details. Where is it? Oh, yeah. So here I put my name. Okay, that is what you are told. To replace it with your name, center number and candidate number on your master document, showing the merged field cones. Okay, sets. Oh, before that one, we need to print this one here. So yes, we need to print it. So let's print it first. So let's complete our. So we don't need to write. We just preview. So this is what will appear. Okay, this is a preview. The other one is to complete, so you can finish and merge here. So let's print the document, all of them. Yes, so for me, I'm not connected to any printer, but in case you have a printer, then it will appear here. Okay, so now you can print from this point here. Otherwise mine is not connected, so I will print it to PDF. Okay, all pages, and then I press OK. So I'll save it as merged doc merged doc. So that is where it will be placed. Remember, it is printing to PDF. So let's go to the next question. Asset print. Set an automated filter to select the records where the length is 12 or less. So that is what you're supposed to do. So to set an automated filter, we come here to edit the list so that we can sort. What are we sorting first? Set an automated filter to select the records where length is 12. So we are sorting on the length. Not sorting, sorry. We are filtering. Field is the length. So it should be less or equal. Less than equal. Is it? Less than equal to 12. Like that. Okay, like that. Again, we are also sorting something else. Pontoon is not sorting but filtering. Pontoon is north. So pontoon is north. filter. Again here we have pontoon. Oh, this is the one that was there before. Okay, let me correct it. This one was length less than equal to 12. So next was pontoon. Pontoon was supposed to be equal to north. Equal to north. Pontoon should be equal to north. That is what we are told. Yes, north. So let me ensure that it is in n is in uppercase, like that. Then okay, something else. Take a screenshot to show the use of your automated selection method and place this in your evidence document. Okay, let's do that very fast. So you first click on OK, and then I come back here at recipient and then filter here. So I take a screenshot at this point. So I bring my snipping tool, I take a new here, so that now I can take a screenshot of this one here. Okay. So save. So now I save it as this was 9. Maybe I can save this one as 10. So remember that I've saved it as evidence 10. Therefore, I will place it in my evidence folder here. Okay. So I go to insert picture. Remember this evidence. It is evidence 10. So here it is, and I place it there. Okay. Yeah. Let's see what next. Question. This one we are done. Match the print of the form of the selected records, and then you make a printout. So that is actually what is remaining. So you can see that this one is already merged. Just merge and finish. Print. Okay, I want everything to be printed to PDF. Okay, so I give it as merge doc2, like that. So it is printing to PDF. Let's wait to finish. Okay, save your prints. Okay, that one we have already done. So let's check whether our document have been printed. This was the first. Remember it was printed to PDF, so here it is. So you can see, and these are different one. Okay, so the first one was printed very well. Let's check the second. The second is this one, doc2. These are doc2. You can see there are not many as the other one. Okay, so doc2 is already printed. So, and by so saying, now we are through with the mail merging. Thank you very much for your attention and listening.